This glowing, ultra-realistic robot you are looking at right now on your screen took less than 5 minutes to generate. Successful creators treat thumbnails as pure marketing mechanisms, assets built specifically to secure the click. You can achieve this result without a degree in graphic design or years of Photoshop experience. You just need Midjourney and a basic editing program. By treating this process as a strict workflow, we remove the guesswork. We turn a blank canvas into a predictable, high-converting science. Step 1 happens before you write a single prompt. Professional creators spend the majority of their time pinning down the exact concept. This diagram outlines our planning framework. First question, what is the main idea? Next, determine your target emotion. Do you want the viewer curious, shocked, or confident? Finally, decide on your singular subject. This visual anchor carries both the idea and emotion. The easiest way to ruin a thumbnail is to force 5 different concepts, 3 characters, and a massive wall of text into a tiny image. Stick to the rule: 1 message, 1 subject. That extreme simplicity is what drives high click-through rates. Now we can open Midjourney. If you type "make a YouTube thumbnail" into the prompt bar, you will get unusable results. The AI only understands specific instructions. This interface shows our director formula. We start with the first 2 blocks, defining your subject and overall style. Next, we build the environment with lighting, camera angle, and background. Finally, we lock in aesthetics by specifying colors, composition, and details. Injecting modifier keywords like cinematic or volumetric light or sharp focus into your detail block acts as a massive quality multiplier for the final render. But the trick to actual clicks is prompting for the emotion we planned earlier. Tell Midjourney your subject has a confident expression or glowing, intense eyes, instead of just describing a static object. This side-by-side layout shows the difference. On the left is a basic object prompt. But look at the right side. By adding emotional keywords, the lighting gets dramatic, the expression holds your attention, and the image comes alive. That deep emotional resonance sells curiosity. It makes the viewer want to know the context behind the expression. Before we hit enter, we have to format this for YouTube's exact constraints. Add --AR space 16:9 to the very end of your prompt. This is Midjourney's aspect ratio parameter. If you skip this, Midjourney defaults to a square image. When you try to upload that to YouTube, the system will aggressively crop it, ruining your carefully planned composition. You should also set your stylize parameter. Keep this value somewhere in the middle, so the AI sticks closely to your specific instructions without drifting into abstract art. Locking these technical parameters in right now ensures you have a perfectly formatted, croppable file to work with in the next step. The raw Midjourney output is only the base layer. You need to pull that image into editing software like Canva or Photoshop for final polish. This is where you boost the contrast so it pops on a phone screen, add custom glows, and drop in bright arrows or circles to explicitly guide the viewer's eye to your subject. If you decide to add text to the thumbnail, enforce a strict limit: absolutely no more than 4 words. People scroll down their homepage at high speed. If your text takes longer than a fraction of a second to read, they will skip right past your video. This graphic shows exactly what happens when you ignore these rules. Tiny text, weak lighting, and a chaotic mix of overlapping elements guarantee your video gets ignored. Midjourney is incredibly powerful at generating the base image, but your deliberate post-production editing is what physically secures the click. This simulated homepage layout illustrates the final result. Placed right in the middle of standard grayed-out videos, our polished thumbnail immediately commands attention. Let's review the workflow. Plan your singular emotion. Use the structured director formula. Force the 16:9 aspect ratio, and edit the final file for extreme, immediate clarity. You put hours of difficult work into producing your videos. They deserve an optimized visual package that ensures people actually watch them. If you feel ready to structure your next thumbnail concept today, click the like button below so the algorithm shares this method with other creators. And before you generate your next image, click the video on screen now. It covers 10 hidden Midjourney features most users miss, which will give you significantly more control over how you operate the tool.